Hi, it's Debbie, and I just want to tell you I've created a new YouTube channel. Obviously, I have not uploaded anything to this channel in a while. So I created this new channel. It is called Let Them Hear Bible Study with Debbie. Yes, it's a different type of channel. This is my true passion, studying the Bible. This is going to be a Bible study for beginners. I am going to upload videos 3 times a week. We're going to go chapter by chapter in books of the Bible. I am starting in the book of John so we can get to know who Jesus is, his ministry while he was here on earth. I've already got a couple out there, but we're just getting started. So I'm also going to be posting daily Bible verses. So if that's something that you think that you would be interested in, I would love for you to come from this channel to my new channel. I will put a little video up here that you can click on that will take you right there. I would love to have you there. And I will eventually be getting rid of this channel. So just wanted to let you know, and I really hope to see you for Bible study.